Last summer, my backyard oasis turned into an absolute nightmare. I spent far more time wrestling with a tangled vacuum hose and scooping out bottom sludge than I actually spent swimming. I blindly bought a cheap pool vacuum, only to realize half the dirt just floated right back into the water, leaving me frustrated and exhausted. Finding the right in-ground pool cleaner feels impossible with all the exaggerated marketing claims out there. Today, I am solving that by breaking down the top 5 in-ground pool cleaners I've rigorously tested. Stick around because the number 1 spot completely changed how I maintain my pool forever. 5. Aiper Scuba S1. Right out of the box, I was immediately drawn to its aggressive caterpillar treads. Unlike traditional wheeled cleaners that can easily slip on sleek surfaces, the Scuba S1's tracks give it an impressive grip. Dropping it into the water without worrying about a bulky cord tangling around ladders was a liberating experience. The cordless design undeniably cleans up your pool deck and removes a major tripping hazard, making it highly appealing for anyone tired of wrangling heavy cables. When it comes to raw performance, the Aiper Scuba S1 boasts a solid 150-minute runtime on a single charge. It relies on what they call WavePath 2.0 navigation, utilizing an array of sensors to map out a cleaning route rather than wandering aimlessly. In my testing, it handled the flat sections of the pool floor adequately, picking up standard debris like sunken leaves, bugs, and loose dirt. The dual traction motors and the dedicated filtration motor work in tandem to pull in a decent amount of debris into its moderately sized 3.5-liter filter basket. However, as I spent more time putting the Scuba S1 through its paces, a few glaring issues began to surface. While the caterpillar treads help it climb walls to scrub the waterline, I noticed it noticeably struggles with complex pool geometries, especially wide steps and tight corners. The navigation, despite being marketed as highly intelligent, still resulted in skip patches of dirt along the floor, forcing me to manually brush those spots later. Additionally, the standard filter basket allows extremely fine silt and algae to pass right back into the water, which defeats the purpose if you have a recurring dust problem in your area. 4. WYBOT C2. The standout feature here is its AI vision technology, which utilizes an underwater camera to detect dirt and debris in real time. When I first tested this unit, I was genuinely intrigued by the idea of a pool robot that could physically see where it needed to go. It promises to clean much faster in its targeted dirt hunting mode, and I have to admit, watching it zero in on a pile of sunken leaves rather than doing a random sweep was highly satisfying. The WYBOT C2 also brings a substantial upgrade in the filtration department compared to standard entry-level cleaners. It utilizes a dual filtration system that combines a 180-micron basket for large debris with a 10-micron ultrafine filter for microscopic particles. During my tests, this setup did an excellent job of trapping the fine sand and cloudy silt that lesser robots completely ignore. It effectively covers the pool floor, walls, and the waterline, providing a comprehensive scrub that visibly improved my pool's water clarity after just a single cycle. Yet, this ambitious machine is not without its frustrating drawbacks. The manufacturer advertises up to a 180-minute runtime, but I quickly discovered that this only applies to the low-power eco mode. If you want the thorough, deep cleaning turbo mode to tackle a genuinely dirty pool, the battery aggressively plummets, dying in roughly 60 minutes. Furthermore, heavily relying on the WYBOT companion app to change cleaning modes proved to be a headache. The app connectivity was frequently unstable during my testing, and having to preset everything on my smartphone while the robot was dry on the deck felt overly complicated for a device that should just be plug and play. 3. Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro. Stepping into the premium tier, this robot offers a staggering 5-in-1 cleaning system. Not only does it scrub the floor, walls, and waterline, but it actually returns to the surface to skim floating debris, acting as an automated skimmer. When I dropped this into my pool, Seeing it glide across the water's surface to catch leaves before they even had a chance to sink was an absolute game changer for my daily maintenance routine. The sheer power under the hood of the AquaSense 2 Pro is honestly mind-blowing. It is engineered with 9 separate motors and boasts a massive 13,400 mAh battery. In practical terms, I was able to get hours of intense, uninterrupted cleaning across my entire pool without suffering the rapid battery drain I experienced with cheaper models. The suction power hits an incredible 20,800 liters per hour, creating an underwater vortex that easily inhales dense debris, rocks, and thick patches of algae that would normally require dragging out a manual vacuum. Navigating the pool environment is where this robot truly shines and earns its premium status. It uses SonicSense ultrasonic mapping and an array of 22 advanced sensors to calculate the most efficient path possible, actively avoiding obstacles like main drains and ladders. The dual-layer filter basket, which combines 150 micron and 250 micron layers, performed flawlessly in my testing. It also uniquely disperses a natural water clarifier as it cleans, a brilliant feature that left my pool water looking sparkling and glass-like, noticeably clearer than when the robot first started its cycle. Two, Dolphin Sigma. While cordless robots are incredibly trendy right now, they simply cannot match the sustained, endless power of a premium corded model, and the Sigma proves this effortlessly. The defining feature of this cleaner is its groundbreaking gyroscope mobility system. Unlike older robots that wander aimlessly, the Sigma uses a 3-axis gyroscope to track its exact orientation, pitch, and roll. Watching it clean was mesmerizing. It executes precise, calculated turns, ensuring not a single square inch of the pool floor is missed. To deliver its industry-leading performance, the Dolphin Sigma is equipped with 3 commercial-grade DC motors. I immediately noticed how much faster and more forcefully it moved through the water compared to consumer-grade alternatives. Paired with these high-output motors are quad scrubbing brushes. Because there are 4 distinct brushes that can spin independently of one another, the robot possesses incredible agility, allowing it to easily spin in place and scrub away stubborn, baked-on algae with aggressive precision. It effortlessly climbed straight up my vertical pool walls, relentlessly scrubbing all the way up to the tile line. Filtration is another area where the Dolphin Sigma completely outclasses the competition. It comes standard with Maytronic's highly coveted nano filters, which are specifically designed to capture microscopic debris that standard mesh baskets leave behind. During my testing period, my pool had a persistent issue with fine pollen and dust settling on the floor. The Sigma's massive top-loading filter cartridges trapped all of it, leaving the water polished and brilliantly clear. The fact that the filters load from the top also meant I didn't have to awkwardly flip a heavy, wet robot upside down just to clean it out. 1. Dolphin Premier. What definitively separates the Premier from every other robot I have ever tested is its exclusive multimedia filtration system. It is the only Dolphin model available that gives you the option to swap between 4 different filter types in seconds. When autumn hit and my pool was hammered with heavy debris, the Premier's oversized leaf bag was an absolute lifesaver. It swallowed mountains of leaves without clogging, a feat that would choke out almost any other cleaner on the market. Beyond its unmatched leaf handling capabilities, the Dolphin Premier features dual commercial-grade motors that deliver relentless, uncompromising power. It easily generates a massive suction rate of over 4,500 gallons per hour. When I swapped the leaf bag out for the included ultra-fine nano filters, it transformed into a surgical cleaning instrument, pulling out invisible sand, silt, and algae. The Premier is also a true master of the waterline. It doesn't just climb the walls. It actively moves laterally along the waterline, aggressively scrubbing away the nasty buildup of oils, sunscreen, and bacteria that naturally accumulate right at the surface. The intelligence packed into this machine guarantees a hands-off, stress-free ownership experience. It utilizes the highly advanced SmartNav 2.0 scanning technology to digitally map your pool's exact dimensions, calculating the most efficient path for total coverage. In my pool, it effortlessly navigated around the main drains and tight corners without ever getting stuck. Just like the Sigma, it includes the flawless anti-tangle swivel on its cable, allowing it to spin a full 360 degrees without twisting the cord. You literally just drop it in the water, walk away, and return to a pristine swimming environment.